18th of October. Let's undam the door. Here we go. It's heavy. There we go, it's up. Nice, nice. That's the first time it's been opened, potentially in 10 years. Maybe that's why they sold it, because I couldn't open the door. There's definitely issues with that latch. So you've got the PJ Grady strut. Sorry about the bad camera work. Quite clean in there actually. Dirt. Missing the seals on there. See, I had to get most of the door off there. And I'll sort of get the latch sorted. So it definitely needs some definite adjustment on there. But it's very, very, very tight. So I don't know if that's to do with this. It could be because I guess it hasn't been opened for 10 years. So hopefully it'll just loosen up once it's been moved. But I'll certainly oil the hinges in there. That feels pretty good on there. Yeah, that's cool. It's open, finally. Nice. Wow, cool. Wow, look at that. Excellent. Tick.